2018 and 2019 a storm. A fully grown viral storm raised through social media. Especially through anime and cosplay related places, but also to bimbo places. But what was this trend? It was Ahegao. But how is it related to the bimbo culture? My name is Jessy and in this Pink Bimbo Academy tutorial we will look why bimbos do Ahegao and how it is made. Ahegao is part of Japanese pornography. It means cow or gao, face, but with an onomatopoetic touch. And I means moaning. So it literally translated means strange moaning face, but with an onomatopoetic touch. More easily, people tended to call it O face, despite the fact that the letter O has no meaning in this expression. It can be traced back until the early 90s, and it was used to show the expression of the face of girls in hentai, animes and mangas during orgasm. Before we come to describing how this expression looks like, it is important to mention that it can indeed be performed by a real human being. Although it originated from drawn pictures. As I already mentioned, this was extensively done by thousands of girls in social media. So I've done it a few times, and when you look at my Instagram profile, you can see me with my Ahegao face. Fact is, still many girls use this expression as a standard continuance for the pictures, and it's still very popular amongst cosplaying cam girls and normal cam girls and porn actresses. Now let us talk about some questions about Ahegao. So we looked at the definition of the word Ahegao, but what is the description? That will be our first question. Wikipedia describes a typical Ahegao like: typical characteristics are rolled eyes, a hanging tongue, and blushed cheeks, and sometimes star or hard pupils. The character's face are drawn deformed in Ahegao scenes. Depictions of Ahegao are often drawn intentionally exaggerated to create a surreal effect. The Ahegao face is used to depict different grades of sexual arousal, whether in consensual contexts or more often otherwise. Our second question is how to do an Ahegao face. Two things are very important for a good Ahegao face: your face and your mood. 3 parts of your face are needed to make a proper Ahegao: your eyelids, your tongue, and your mouth. Each of these are absolutely mandatory to perform Ahegao, but your mood is equally important as your face. You have to be in a warm and comfort mood. You should calm down and think about something beautiful and arousing. Your eyelids have to be half closed and focus on a fixed point above your head. Be relaxed, try to look happy or cute. Open your mouth softly and smile. Think about something beautiful. Let your tongue hang out of your mouth and let the salivation flow or start salivation. But keep in mind to smile and stay at your happy place. Yet, we'll make a closer look to the Ahegao face again. Your eyelids have to be half closed and focus on a fixed point above your head. I do it like I hold a pencil or anything else in front of me and look at this pencil. Be relaxed. Try to look happy or cute. Open your mouth softly and smile. Think about something beautiful, like your boy or girlfriend, or a handbag you wanna have. Let your tongue hang out of your mouth and let the salvation flow, or start the salvation. But keep in mind to smile and stay at your happy place. You can add many things to your Ahegao face, like double P's or or a schoolgirl uniform, or what do you like, anything that's cute, and yeah, you can add what you want. Our third question is, why should you do an Ahegao face as a bimbo? There's a reason why Ahegao was invited as a special expression of girls who are about to orgasm. In hentai, this reason is not absolutely comprehensive and valid, but also provides us with the general understanding of how many men expect a girl to approach her own sexual pleasures. Oblivion, in terms of an aware unconsciousness, would be the keyword here. Every aspect of the Ahegao meme aims at illustrating the absolute absence of rational thinking, logical thoughts, and temperamental restrictions and reflection. Twisted eyes, the absent-minded look above, the loosely open mouth, the anemic hanging tongue, and the uncontrolled salvation. Everything reminds us of a person who is really out of it. Of course, the meta thought behind this representation is the idea that the girl in question reached the state of poorly and solely because of overwhelming sexual pleasure and uncontrollable reactions of her body because of orgasm. Only focused on her next climax, absent to the world, and absolutely lackadaisical toward anything else that doesn't have something to do with her sexuality and joy. The girl is neither willing or able to control her salvation, animated to flow because of her getting fucked, just to be able to take another phallus in her mouth, with her gaze directed to heaven. Every connoisseur of bimbo culture will already have discovered multiple overlaps with these ideas and some general bimbofication goals. This is a goal every bimbo should strive for, and more or less constant state of a bimbo you should go after. Sex is the most important thing there is. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you like the bimbo content, check out the website of the Pink Bimbo Academy. And check out my Instagram to follow my bimbofication. Bye rabbits!